What is the title? The title is Earth Day. Earth Day. It's a day for the Earth. What do you see on the cover? I see children, boys and girls. I see trees, hearts. Do you love the Earth? I love the Earth. So I love Earth. I can help her Earth. So let's think of some ways how we can help Earth. How do you think we can help Earth? How do you help Earth? Not Earth. I try to recycle. What do you see? Well, we can, what do you see and what can we recycle? We can recycle glass. What else? Right. So what are some examples of glass? What are some examples of plastic? What about paper? Like a paper bag? What else? There are other things, right? And what about metal? What sort of metal can we recycle? I tried to put my litter in the bin. What is a bin? It's a type of container where we can throw away trash or recycle, right? Why should we put our litter into the bin? Because we can't just throw it out, right? We can't just throw it out into the world. I try to turn off the light when I leave my room. So what should we do when we leave our room? What can we do to the light? Yeah, we can turn it off. Why should we try to turn off the light when we leave the room? Yes, exactly, to save energy. Very good. I try to close the tap when I brush my teeth. What other times can we close the tap? Maybe when we wash our hands, when we're washing it with soap, so we can turn off the tap for a brief few seconds, right? So why should we close the tap when we brush our teeth? Yes, to save water. Very good. I try to plant seeds. So tell me how we should plant seeds. What should we plant? I think we should plant more trees. Yes, we should plant more trees. So go ahead and making crafts out of recyclables, right? You're going to cut all of these out and you're going to make your own craft. So go ahead and try that out. And let's do the workbook together. All right, so we're going to look at our Earth Day words and we're going to draw a line to match the words to the picture. So the first one we have is, here we go. We have reduce. Reduce. Which one is reduce? Reduce means to lower the usage of things. To lower the usage of things. And then we have reuse, recycle, earth, compost, tree, pollution, and can, right? Actually, let's work bottom to up. So let's do that. So let's start with something easy. Here we have can. Cans, right? Cans are easy. Pollution. Pollution is where we impact the environment in a very bad way, right? So a lot of the gases coming out of factories are very bad for the environment, for the air and everything. So this would be pollution. Which one is tree? Here's tree. The next one is compost. This is going to be compost. Compost is where we collect food waste and we put it back into the dirt. So for the worms to eat and to make natural fertilizer. This is a very hard explanation, but it's where we use food waste and we put it back into the soil. And here's our lovely earth. Here is to recycle, right? To put the glass into glass, paper into paper, plastic into plastic. Here is reusing. Reusing is to use it again and again and again in new ways. Reduce, to lower, to not use it more. So we turned off the tap here, right? So that's what it is. And here we're going to look on this side with the help of our word matching here, and we're going to match the correct letter. The first one is reduce. Reduce. R. Reduce. The next one is earth. 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 Starts with the letter E, right? Reuse. Reuse. Reuse starts with the letter R. The next one we have is compost. Compost. C. Compost starts with the letter C. The next one we have is pollution. Pollution. Pollution starts with the letter P. The next one we have is recycle. 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 Starts with the letter R. Very nice. Very good. So here you can cut these out and you can play Earth Day Bingo with your friends or your family. Let's just go ahead and read the words that we have. We have Earth Day, earth, bicycle, light switch, faucet, bottle, car fumes, light bulb, paper, pollution, tree, compost, reduce, reuse, can, and recycle. So all of these words are all mixed up in different boards. So you can cut these boards up and play Earth Day Bingo with your mom, dad, sister, brother, friend, cousin, niece, nephew, grandma, on and on and on. So today we have 3 picture puzzles. So go ahead and cut these out and glue them on to the frame. And the title of our picture puzzle today is going to be recycle, reuse, and reduce. 3 things we should do for our environment, right? So here we go. Oops. Recycle. Oops. recycle, reuse. And reduce. reuse, and reduce. 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 3 things that we should do for our environment. It's very important. Oops. All right, here's the Earth Day maze. This is pretty simple, right? You're just gonna go, you're gonna take your plastic bottle and going to try to find the recycling bin. So I'll start you off. Seems like we have to go this way. No, we can't go this way. We're gonna have to go this way, right? So go ahead and try the rest by yourself. You can do it. I believe in you. The next one we have is the Earth Day ... We're going to connect this in alphabetical order. This is very easy. You can do this by yourself. I'll start you off. We're going to start at A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P. Yeah. By the way, this is I, not H, I, J, K, right? And keep going, and you keep going, and you keep going. So go ahead and do that by yourself. Doing good. So we have happy and sad earth. So we're going to cut these out and we're going to divide them into the happy and sad earth, right? You're going to glue it onto the proper charts. So what do we have? We have landfill. Landfill means a lot of trash. It's landfill, like big piles and piles of trash. So where is that going to go? Is that going to go onto happy earth or sad earth? Sad earth, right? What about car fumes? Car fumes. It's the gas that comes out of your car because it's burning the gasoline, right? So is that happy earth or sad earth? Sad earth. That is definitely sad earth. What about turning off the lights to save energy? Turn off the lights. That's going to be happy earth. And what about planting trees? Plant trees. Is that happy earth or sad earth? That is definitely happy earth. What about factory smoke? Ooh, that is very sad earth. Oil spill, sad earth. Just right away, sad earth. What about picking up the litter? Litter means trash. Picking up the trash. That is going to be happy earth. The next one we have is recycle, to divide them into correct bins. That's happy earth. What about water pollution? Water pollution is sad earth. Littering? Littering is going to be happy earth. No, I'm sorry, sad earth. Littering is trash. I'm sorry, sad earth. Instead of driving your car, how about riding a bike? Is that happy earth or sad earth? That is happy. And reusing bags. That is also happy. Good job. The 3 R's. So you're going to cut these out and divide them into whether we can reuse them, whether we can recycle them, and if we can reduce them, right? Cans, we can recycle. Glass jars, we can reuse. Newspaper, we can recycle. Tap water, the faucet, we can reduce. Box, we can reuse. A bag, we can reuse. Clothing, we can definitely reuse. We can make them into a cloth. We can make them into many different things. We should reduce riding in our cars. We can reuse books. We should, I don't know what this one is exactly. Maybe it comes onto the other video, but you can have fun for recycling, reusing, and reducing. We can reduce this, right? We can reduce our light usage to save energy. We can reduce save water. So we can reduce the light to water, light switch, recycle cans, and we should ride our bikes more. So that's reducing. So let's go ahead and find the recycled materials. So we're going to circle it. We're going to find the plastic material. I find a plastic bottle. Maybe it's a plastic roller. I think so. Plastic glue bottle, a plastic sunglasses. Apple and money are not plastic. Let's look for the paper. Paper box, paper bag. Cardboard is paper, so that's paper. Newspaper. I don't think a carrot or a scissor is paper. Let's look for metal. Here's metal. This is all metal, right? Yeah. The next one we have is glass. So we're going to look for our glass bottle, our glass jar. Good. So we found our plastic, paper, metal, and glass. Let's go to the next one. Which one does not belong? So which one is not plastic? It looks like this pencil is not plastic. Which one is not paper? Easy, this one. It's like a broken cell phone. That's more metal. Let's look here. Which one is not metal? This plastic tube is not metal. Oh, this one's very easy. Which one isn't glass? This donut. This donut is not glass. All right, so we're going to sort our recyclables. And what you're going to do, you're going to cut these out and you're going to create small recycling bins. So we have our metal, we have our plastic, our glass, our compost, and our paper. You're going to make small boxes. You're going to cut these out and you're going to sort your recyclables. You're going to put them into correct bins. So do that with your mom and her dad. And you're also going to make a 3D Earth Day card. After you're done with that, you're going to practice your sight words with your mom and her dad. And that is the end of our Earth Day workbook. Good job, everybody.